There's State's Exhibit 66 up there on the overhead. Mr. Hughes, when you dragged Christina Parcel across the floor of the front room where you killed her, did you drag her by her arm or by her ankle?
I don't remember for certain, but I think by the ankle.
That's all the questions I need to ask this, Your Honor.
Any limited redirect?
No redirect, Your Honor.
Any other witness? Defense going to call any other witnesses?
Your Honor,
And I am aware that you wanted to put additional proper.
yes, not at this time.
Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to ask you to go back to your jury room, and I'm going to be taking up a few matters, hopefully very quickly, and we'll be back with you.
All right, guys, so there you heard it. That was the one question. I guess we'll find out shortly in the state's closing why they asked that question, what significance it has. It must have some sort of significance in whatever it is they believe it proves. But I just want to update you guys on where everything's at in the blow. They're going to come back in 6 minutes. The defense is going to rest. They're going to go back out of the room. It's like what? 11:41 in actuality here. I have a feeling the judge is going to probably say lunch break, and they'll do a lunch, and then they will come back and they will charge the jury, and they will then do closing arguments. I'm not sure if they charge the jury first in South Carolina or not. I can't remember from the Murdoch case and other cases I've covered there, but they're either charge the jury and go to closings, or they go to closings and then charge the jury. Right now, the judge, some of the issues that were raised earlier today. Let's see here. There's an update. Yep, this missing until 1:30. It just popped up. So the judge did grant some of the requests the defense asked to the jury instructions. They're going to remove the word victim from the harassing charges, and they're going to use the term targeted person in its place. The judge found that. Outside the presence of the jury, the defense argued motions to acquit on all the charges. The judge denied those. So really, for all practicality, we're going to be out of session in this case until about 2 o'clock, because 1:30 they will come back. There's a 30-minute delay, and then we will be then either getting a jury charge and closings, or closings and a jury charge. So we'll probably be in session for a couple of hours, and then it'll be time to see what this jury does. So let's take a look at the results so far of our little poll. We have 59% of you out there would find him guilty of first degree, while 35% would go lesser, and there is at least 6% of you out there that would say not guilty completely. So interesting numbers. In favor for as far as in when you look at a history of cases, whenever you see 41% or less than say 20 or 30% of the audience believing that the most extreme charge is what the jury will go with, it normally is a good sign for the defense. So it's a good shot here that Zach Hughes will probably walk away with some sort of a negotiated verdict back there in the jury room. Appears he's got some interest from some of you out here, and perhaps he's got a couple of people in the jury that their interest has been piqued as well as to what's going on in this case. So we will see. So, with that said, I'm going to step out here. Seaman Tilly will be starting at 12:30. I will include a link in the Seaman Tilly trial for ease to get back here and to be able to check. That way you can pop in and out. But again, put a little reminder in if you want to hang around and see the defense officially rest. That's fine, of course. But that's all you're going to see. It's going to be really quick. Then they're going to get sent back out. And then we're not going to hear anything until 2 o'clock. So if it wasn't for this blow, we'd all just be sitting here wondering what the heck's going on. So we're going to see them come back. We're going to see the defense rest. We're going to see them leave again. We're going to see things happen outside the presence of the jury. We're going to see the judge determine outside the presence of the jury that they will reconvene again at 1:30 for the end of the trial. That's where we stand. So with that said, guys, let's throw you back to a courtroom scene. We'll be watching, and we should see, like I said, them come back here probably in about another minute or two, and then nothing else will happen until 2 o'clock. So see you guys then.
Welcome back. Just be patient and understand there are procedures that have to go in, and I'm sorry that I have to send y'all in and out, okay? All right, anything further?
Nothing further, the defense rests.
Defense rest. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you can go back to the jury room.